Hello everyone. Today we are in the next chapter of social studies, weather and climate. So children, before I start the lesson, I want to brief you what you are going to learn in this chapter. So children, you are going to learn about weather, climate, factors affecting weather, factors affecting climate, types of climate and climatic zones of the earth. So children, now let's start from the chapter's name itself, weather and climate. Children, first we'll talk about the first part, that is weather. What a fine weather it is. Let's go outside. You might have heard these words. Have you ever thought as to what is weather? Children, weather is defined as the condition of atmosphere of a given place at a given time. Have you ever noticed a weather report in a daily newspaper? It includes the weather conditions of a day. That means the maximum temperature of the day is 26 degrees Celsius or the minimum temperature of the day is 17 degrees Celsius. Children, when I say maximum temperature, it means that maximum temperature is the highest temperature and the minimum temperature is the lowest temperature during 24 hours. And the difference between the maximum temperature and the minimum temperature is called the range of temperature. Alright, so children, weather, we were talking about weather. Children, if I want to explain it to you in a simpler language, then weather is what you get. For example, hot day, cold day, foggy day. Children, it changes frequently. Weather is the atmospheric condition of a place for a short period. Children, weather is what you get because you are not aware as to what will be the condition of weather tomorrow, whether it is going to be a hot day, cold day or foggy day. Means it changes frequently. In the morning it might rain, but the noon will be hot. Alright, so this is weather. It changes frequently. So children, it reflects short-term condition of temperature. Children, you also need to know that people who study weather conditions are called meteorologists. Therefore, we conclude that weather changes in few hours or few days. That means it does not remain same for a long time. That is weather. Now, let's talk about climate, children. Climate may be defined as an average of weather conditions of a place or an area. Climate generally does not change for 30-40 years. In common language, in simpler language, if I want to explain you what climate is what you expect. For example, summer season and winter season. Children, when we are in the month of March, April or May, we are very much aware that December, November, January, February will be cold because we know that these are winter season. So these are the things, these are the seasons which you expect prior. You know that November, December, January, February are going to be cold. It will be winters during these months. So climate is what you expect. So children, climate is the condition of weather which remains same for a longer period of time, and it is a common pattern. This pattern keeps on repeating year after years. Maybe it remains same for 30-40 years. Like you will experience summers during March, April, May and winters during November, December, January. It is fixed. So climate reflects long-term condition of temperature, and people who study climatic conditions are called climatologists. Children, climate does not change for 30-40 years. That means same seasonal patterns will be observed for a long run. Now there are some factors which affect the climate of a place. That means the climate of a place is affected by many factors, and they are distance from equator, altitude, distance from sea, direction of winds, humidity, ocean currents. Now children, we'll be talking about all these factors affecting the weather and climate in the next class. Till then, you all go through page number 18. Bye. Have a good day.